Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Okay guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to add watermark on the result photo on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, if you are someone who really like photography and wants your photo to have a watermark, you can definitely add a watermark to your photo. And to add a watermark to your photo is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is you can um, go to the camera on your phone. And here for the example, I will shot the photo and the result is like this without a watermark. So if you want to add some watermark, now you can click on this one and then you can click on watermark and then click regular. So yeah, when the watermark is on, now you can show the photo and see the result. So yeah, this is the watermark on your photo. So easy, right? And so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to add watermark on your photo. And thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.